Hello guys, this is Megaraj here and now I am going to get discuss about the Newton's cooling law. So according to Newton's, this is the Newton's cooling law. So according to Newton, rate of cooling of heat, that is denoted by minus dq by dt, is directly proportional to change in temperature, that is equals to delta T. So we can say that according to Newton, dq by dt is directly proportional to delta T. This is the कूलिंग ऑफ रेट ऑफ हीट. देखिए नेगेटिव सिंबल ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है कि टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज कर रहा है, कूल हो रहा है. सो द रेट ऑफ कूलिंग ऑफ हीट dq by dt minus is directly proportional to delta T. So let me discuss here two temperatures. Let two temperatures like T1 and T2, where T1 is the temperature of any body or perfect black body and T2 is the temperature of surrounding. Okay, so according to Newton, minus dq by dt is directly proportional to the change in temperature T2 minus T1. So minus dq by dt is equals to k T2 minus T1, or we can write this dq by dt equals to minus k T2 minus T1. Okay, this is the rate of heat. Okay, and let in dt time, in the time of dt, but in time dt body decreases its temperature, like T2 से क्या हो जाएगा dT2. ओके, अगर बॉडी का टेम्परेचर T2 था तो T2 टेम्परेचर से डिक्रीज होकर के कितना बचा dT2. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी नो दैट Q इक्वल्स टू S m dT2, or its differential value is dq by dt is equals to Sm dT2 by dt. Okay, so this is the second equation, and first equation according to this Newton's cooling law, that is equals to dq by dt equals to minus k T2 minus T1. So putting these value equal, so by equation first and second, Sm dt2 upon dt is equals to minus k T2 minus T1. Okay, so dt2 upon T2 minus T1 is equals to minus k by Sm dt, and now integrate both sides. So this equation dt2 upon T2 minus T1 is equals to minus k by Sm dt, and this is the just like a definite integral. Okay, यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर की लिमिट फिक्स्ड है T1 to T2 and this time is 0 to T. So according to this the integral of this log base e t2 minus t1. Okay, and this is the new constant like k dash and 1 का dt हो जाएगा t. Okay, and it is works as the definite integral, so here not attached any constant. Okay, so this k dash is also equals to minus k upon we can also it is equals to k upon s into m, so it is equals to like this. Okay, and the formula of the logarithm like this log base e x equals to y, एंड इनको अगर हम इंटरचेंज कर देंगे तो लॉग कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. ओके, तो इसको हम ऐसे कर दें e टू रेज पावर माइनस k डैश t इक्वल्स टू t2 माइनस t1. सो t2 will be equal to the t1 plus e to raise power minus k dash t. This will be the relation. Okay, so according to this we will solve Newton's cooling law.